बात दिल की नजरों ने की
Right, right, right.
दिल कह रहा.
Yes, yes, yes. Good, good. So the notes are D sharp, E, A sharp, and G sharp. First, play this 4 notes. Go ahead.
बात दिल की. So that's what he's doing. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Yeah, yeah.
And remember to keep that Dil ki nazar big note.
बात दिल की दिल की. So he just says दिल की.
Right, right, right. So here's what he does, and here's what you can do for the timing. It's just a little change, just to make it easier for you. You can go baate dil ki. You can do it that way. But what he does, baate dil ki, baate
दिल.
it's like nah,
So he
like
so he takes the L to
sharp to G sharp.
G sharp.
Yeah,
Oh, okay. Dil ki.
yeah,
Oh, okay.
like that. Yeah, dil ki. So, look, if you break it down technically, it's not as hard as we like to associate it. So, it's simply you're speaking like you would normally do. So, you're going, बात दिल की नजरों ने की. Roughly. Okay?
Yeah.
That's what we need to achieve.
बात दिल की.
No. Confident.
Yeah, I know.
Confident.
Yeah.
So think of it like you're rapping. Baat dil ki. Go for like you're rapping.
Yeah, I will not be sure of the notes, so I'll try, but I'm not sure.
Try it again. It's
बात दिल की.
there you go. Yeah, it's there. And then
Okay.
Okay. Can you just try the A sharp for me on an E or
Okay.
U vowel? Try that.
Okay.
Yep. Close. Again. More. There you go.
Yeah.
There you go.
Yeah.
My bad. But here's the thing, though. You cannot do it before. You were capping out on an A. Remember, I got you to that, and we tried the B flat. It didn't work out, but now it's working. Okay.
Yeah.
So now, if you can go ooh. So from ooh, think of it this way. You're just talking, right? Ooh, nazib.
Okay.
It's okay. That's gonna happen. That's the pressure. Okay, you have to give it a bit more to hold that together.
Yeah.
And if that happens, it's not bad. Just so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's there.
It's there. It's that part of the range. It's the second bridge. So look from there. Woo! And it goes higher, but to drag that part higher, physiologically, psychologically, there's a lot that happens there.